Then Ravenclaw, Sunny just gave the explanation. Hufflepuff is like the nice guys, you know, like the support cast. Kinda.
Support cast?
I think so, something like that.
Beck, I think Beck is the badger.
That's Hufflepuff.
Okay, I think Beck is a Hufflepuff.
Yeah. Ravenclaw is, well, yeah. Okay. Then what am I missing? Yeah, and the Slytherin one, which I can't remember the exact descriptions, but I'm sure somebody will write it here.
Support cast XT. Okay, so who's a Ravenclaw? Sunny said she's Ravenclaw.
Yeah.
Stefan says he is Slytherin. And what is Quasar? Does he know?
Resourcefulness, cunning, ambition, determination, leadership, self-preservation, fraternity,
Lineage.
I mean, you're like a mix of Ravenclaw
Who?
and Slytherin. You.
Are you like the Hogwarts doctor?
I'm the sorting hat.
You are diagnosing?
I'm the sorting hat. Well, according to these traits,
Uh-huh.
resourcefulness, is very fitting to you.
Okay.
Determination, leadership, you have all these. I don't know about cunning. What is fraternity even?
You're learning so many new words today, huh?
I mean, I know the word, but I'm not really see how it applies. Yeah, you're a bit more Ravenclaw than Slytherin, according to these traits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brotherhood. Okay, yeah, Evan is more Ravenclaw.
Kyle thinks he knows me. I guess I should go on and test this. Can you link whatever test I need to take in Discord? I'm kind of scared because then you become a label and then, right?
What?
Once you take the test and then you just get labeled.
Yeah, why does it matter? It's fine, you're not into Harry Potter stuff anyways.
Okay, so it said to whisk the egg a little bit. So I'm whisking it a little.
Whisking, eh? I can...
You ready to whisk more or what?
I can give you a hand in there. I'm gonna open the thing with a piece.
Doesn't need to be a full whisk at least, so. So that's 2 eggs. If you were a Lord of the Rings race, which would you be?
Oh, that's more of an Ebony question.
I would probably want to be an elf. Like, yeah. Probably a woodland elf, though. Because they're more curious, less haughty and obnoxious. Like a high elf is too much. Yeah. Wizard is actually the legit choice.
What, wizard is the best choice.
Yeah. But,
Dude, Gandalf has like the best
Gandalf
life.
is legit though. He's
Gandalf
a little
has-
bit like too. You can't get to Gandalf's level.
I mean, Gandalf is great. He just like runs around, you know, smoking some weed, saying some very like, you know, ambiguous messages to people. Gives them riddles. He's just chill.
Alright, so instead of doing this in 2 separate things, we're just gonna go all in. So, onions in. This is not frying. That's the difference with this dish. Is nothing's getting fried, so there's no oil.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
It gets cooked in this.
Interesting. That is different.
Yeah. Although this onion was rather large, so there might not be enough seasoning to go with that.
Are these Japanese pancakes? Asks Asaname.
The okonomiyaki is the Japanese pancake, but right now I'm making the oyakodon, which is like, you know, like the chicken before the egg or whatever, but now this one has both, and basically it's like chicken thighs, onion, and this kind of broth, and put an egg at the end, so there's like runny egg all over. And
When
you put
you-
that with the rice bowl.
When you add egg to stuff, it's just the best. I don't know how you guys feel, but like when there's a dish and then at the end there's an egg added, it's like beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I personally, I mean, I love eggs
You're a
already,
fan?
so.
Alright, I'm gonna make a little bit more of the sauce because I think our onion quantity is quite high. So dashi, soy sauce,
Eggs,
mirin, and sugar, which I think already has some, so I won't put more.